Yeah, so I'm back with another video. Today, this is a part two of my lock extension journey. If you didn't watch part one, I suggest you go ahead and do that right now and then come back, because you're not gonna want to miss this. I said that last time, but no, for real, because my hair's out this time. If you know, you know. Now, before we start, go ahead and let's go ahead and like that. Click the thumbs up button. Trust me. You're gonna like the video. Anyways, it is now 5:55. Appointment is at 7 o'clock. I'm not as nervous as I was the first time, since I already been there and like I met the lady and I like seen everything. I kind of feel like I'm just going to an appointment, but I am nervous of the results. I barely wore my hair out in its afro state since I had it out. It's been a week. I think a week and a little. This is like the third time I've worn it. I actually went to bed like this. Usually I braid it up and wear a bonnet, but I was like, I'm not gonna have an afro again for forever. It's not in the plans right now. So I was like, let me just be a little dangerous, be a little risky. There's nothing really much to say because I said everything in my first video. So we're just gonna go ahead and get to the appointment. Like I said, let's do a length check. Let's do a length check before we go. Rapunzel who? Rapunzel me. Rapunzel me. Stop playing. Stop.
I'm gonna remind my man that even though I'm with him, I'm still part of the LGBTQ community. I said, do I look fine enough for the niggas?
Oh my god, don't tell me you're recording. Oh wow. You told me not to come back.